Hello and welcome everybody to SuperfunEnglish. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. So today I will show you how to teach consonant blend to the children. Interested? Then hit the bell button and don't forget to do the subscribe to my channel. So what are the prerequisites of consonant blend? Before you teach them the consonant blend, what are the things that you have to pay attention? You have to make sure the child knows the individual letter sounds. They knows the phonemic awareness. What is phonemic awareness? I have made a separate video on this. I will share the link in the description box or in the I button. Please check out. Next thing, they know segmenting. What is segmenting? I have a very detailed video on this topic. I will share the link in the descriptions and the I button. Please check. And same for the blending. Blending also you will get a detailed video I have made. Again, I will share the link. So these three are the prerequisite before you start the consonant blend. And the fourth things is give them the concept of vowel and consonant. So these four things, once we are done with these four things, then we will move to the consonant blend. First, you will give them the concept. What is consonant blend? They know consonant, but what is consonant blends? Blends means we are blending two sounds, right? So we are blending to consonant, but they pronounce separately. So both the consonant we are pronouncing together, but the sounds.
Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Can you tell me what do you see? So these are what? These are blocks. Do you play with the blocks? Yes? Okay, so today we will learn how to say block or how to write block. See, this is a spelling of block. Now see, the B-L or B-L we pronounce together. B-L we pronounce together. So this B-L are together is called consonant blend. We all know what are consonant and what are vowels, right? So first comes the B sound. First comes the B sound, then the L sound. So B and L comes together and they make a new sound. Old sound, B, B. So this is what block. So whenever we pronounce block, this B and L comes together. This is B is one consonant and L is one consonant. So both the consonants comes together and we pronounce them together. Same for blue. B, B and L again comes together. So this is called consonant. Consonant blend can come at the beginning of the word, at the middle of the word or at the ending of the word. Now we will have a look to a chart where I have jotted down different types of beginning blends. When the blends come at the beginning of the word, this is called beginning blends. So these are the words where the consonant blends has come at the beginning of the word. So you will encourage children to read them loud. You can make small reading slips or you can make chart like this, so they have to just read it out. Again, I am telling you that the repetition does wonders for children. As many times as they repeat these things, they become master of these things. So here just one thing they have to focus on the beginning blends. Next is the ending blends. This chart focusing on the ending blends. See, the blending comes at the end. So you can make such chart. Once they are done with the beginning, then you can move to the ending blends chart. Again, they have to read this again and again to understand how the consonants are joining together and they are blending and forming the consonant blend. And where the consonant blend forms. Once they're done with the reading slips, reading charts, then we will move to the next steps where we will teach them the different kinds of blends, which is S blend, R blend and L blend. So one by one we will introduce, not all at once. First we will focus on the S blend. So S blend can come at the initials, medial or the end of the word. So we will have a look to the chart where I have jotted down different type of ace blends words, how these two consonants are blending. So this is the chart where you can see the ace blend, different type of ace blends. Again, this you can make as a reading slips and encourage the children to read it loud so they understand where the blends come at the beginning or at the end. Next we will introduce the L blends. L blends where the L sound comes at the middle of the word. R blend, the same thing, the R sound comes at the middle of the word. So this way you can give them the reading slips, but you have to give them one by one. You know, children loves games, so I always give them such kind of game where they get to practice. So here I am giving you one game ideas which you can do. So give them 3 words like bat, mop and stamp and ask them, can you tell me any consonant blends? Do you see any consonant blends here? So you have given them 3 words. You can write it them in their copy. You can show them. If you are taking online class, you can show them in the screen and ask them to tell the consonant blends. So they will find the consonant blend. ST together has formed a consonant blends. Once it done with these steps, then you will introduce the worksheet. You can give them the focus worksheet like L blends worksheet, R blend worksheet, or you can give them the mixed worksheet like this, where they have to segregate the different kinds of blends accordingly. So the steps you have to follow: first you will understand how does consonant blend form, then we will give them the different type of blends like the beginning, ending, this type of, then you will give the different category of blends: S blend, R blends, L blends. Then we will encourage them to read the sleeves, games and worksheets. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video, share this video and please share your comments.